Welcome to Lesson 27, Love Method Lesson 4. Today we're going deep on just one line on the chart, the red line. Once you know this line, you can read where price tends to get bought more cheaply. What we'll cover: 1. What the red line actually does. 2. How to spot it on a chart. And 3. When that spot becomes a buying opportunity. Master this one idea, and you've already learned to read about half a chart. Same skill traders use when they watch the S&P 500 bounce off a clear floor. Let's get started. On the Bitcoin daily chart on your screen, find the red line. Watch how price drifts down from above. Then near that line it snaps and bounces higher. That's what the red line does. Textbooks call it support. It acts like a floor under price and catches the decline. Think of an elevator dropping and stopping on a certain floor. That line is where price pauses, a short rest stop, and often a place worth considering a buy. Here's the key. One bounce can be luck, but if price bounces from the same spot 2 or 3 times, that becomes a signal. It's like a neighborhood coffee shop where a latte usually costs about $4.50. Lots of people buy at that price, so the level means something. Charts work the same way, whether you're looking at Bitcoin, Apple, or the S&P 500. When you see 2 or 3 recent bounces off the same line, it means many traders treat that level as a real floor. That's a more trustworthy buy zone. Sometimes price punches briefly below the red line. That's normal. Don't panic. Look closely, and you'll often see it climb back above the red line soon after. But remember, in a stronger sell-off, the kind you can get around a sharp Fed surprise or an Asidog risk-off day, that line itself can fail. So a temporary break doesn't erase the signal's value. Just know that no support lasts forever. When price gets close to the red line, the chart can look scary, but that moment is often the buy cheaper signal. Statistically, more buying interest tends to show up near support because people already treat that price as important. Whether it's truly the bottom still needs other signals alongside it. Learning the red line is practice for turning an anxious moment into an objective read. The same calm check you'd want before buying a dip in the S&P 500. So far, we're only learning to read where the red line sits. That alone is enough for today. In the next lesson, we'll cover exact entry timing when price touches this red line. For now, just watch charts, find the red line, and build the feel for this is a buy zone. Lesson 4 in one pass. 1. The red line is price's floor, support. 2. More repeats mean more trust. 3. The scary drop toward it is often the buy opportunity. Next, Lesson 28 covers the opposite of red, the blue line. The idea is just as simple. Hope today's lesson helped even a little. This course is for education only, not investment advice. Every investing decision is your own responsibility. Drop a comment with a red line support zone you spotted on a chart. See you in the next lesson.